Custom Wooden Shipping Crates by BlueRose Packaging. At BlueRose Packaging, we specialize in the design and manufacturing of custom wooden shipping crates for all purposes. Our production team works closely with you and is capable of building custom wood shipping crates for any industrial, commercial, and military applications. We can customize your wooden shipping crates with bracing, padding, or specific compartments that aid the protection of your cargo from environmental elements and internal forces. Whether it is for medical and dental equipment, glass valuables, or any fragile items, our team can guide you through the standard and custom shipping crates with durable construction. We can design various types of wooden shipping crates and customize them with add-ons and hardware. A few of them are heat-treated wood crates, open slat wood crates, trade show wood crates, knockdown wood crates, and reusable wood crates. Our manufacturing and direct distribution of packaging and shipping supplies enable us to provide competitive pricing on wholesale and bulk orders and quick lead times. All design, manufacturing, and warehousing services are performed at our state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities located in Los Angeles and Orange County. Everything right from quality control to production to product delivery is closely managed and promptly completed. Contact today by phone or email to discuss wooden shipping crates for your application. Visit our website for more information.